Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to see one more chain type data type in under the collection category called tuple. So what is tuple? So tuple it is a collection of elements which is in order and unchangeable, and it can hold a different type of data. But as I say, it is unchangeable. It means once we initialize tuple, then we cannot change the element of a tuple. So that is basically the difference between tuple and list. The rest is they are almost same as a list. So first we are going to see how we can create tuple in Python. So here we can see instead of square bracket, right now we are using parenthesis to create a tuple. Then when we check the class, we can see the class is of a tuple. As we say, tuple can hold multiple data of different categories, and here we can see first is a numeric and the second is string, so it can hold different types of data together, but we cannot change the element of a tuple once it is initialized. And when we did, we got an error called type error. So that means tuples are immutable in nature, same as a string. So this is how we create a tuple in Python. Then we are going to see functions associated with tuple data type. So the first function is same length, which is used to find the total number of element in the tuple, and this is the syntax. Then to compare two tuples, we can create one function, and then this is the syntax to use that function, and we'll get the result in zeros and ones. If it is 0, then all the element of two tuples are matched. If any one element also different, then the result is 1. It means that the both tuples are not same. So here we got the 1 as a result. It means that these two tuples are not same, and we can see that here it is 4 and here it is 7. The next function is max to find the max element in the tuple. Then there is a min, which is used to find the minimum element in the tuple. Then the next function is tuple. So we can create a tuple from the list, and this is the way we can create a tuple from the list. Next, del, which is used to delete the element or tuple itself. So here we can see first we printed the tuple, and then we delete that tuple, and then when we print again, we got the error that where tuple is not defined, so it is deleted from the memory. These are all the functions associated with tuple. Then we are going to see the methods associated with tuple. The first method is count. It is used to count the key provided under the parameter of count. So here the key is 4, so it checks the number of this key present in the tuple. So right now it is just 1, so we get the result 1. Then the next method is index, which is used to find the index of an element provided as a parameter. So here 4 is a parameter. So we wanted to know what is the index of this key, which is 4, and we got the answer that is 3. And since in the Python index start from 0, so we can see that 0, 1, 2 and 3. So we got the 3 answer. So these are all the methods associated with tuple. Thank you.